What the deal, everybody? Your Southern Urban Voice here. I am too rich to miss. Listen, we are currently sitting in front of the greatest opportunity that we have seen in a while. Now, this is for my older people. Did you miss the .com explosion? Are you one of those people who are like, well, man, I wish I would have caught Amazon back then? Or as some of us old people will say, back in the gap. Don't worry. The time has come again. Are you one of those people who missed out on the opportunity in the 2008 real estate crash? Patience. We're here again. Are you one of those people who may have made some money in this last run up in this last bull market, but made a few mistakes, and now you are looking for the next opportunity? The time is now. The time has come. But this is only for the people with a mind and vision to see. You feel me? For those that truly believe in buying low and selling high, the market is on sale. Everything is going to still be on sale going into 2023. Now, here's the thing. If you believe that we are in a bear market cycle, then you must also believe that a bull market cycle will also return. The time now is to accumulate quality projects effectively and efficiently. I talk about DCAing down. Simply put, as the price of your favorite asset goes down, buy a little bit. When it goes down some more, buy a little bit more. The time has come right now to accumulate quality projects, because in year and a half, 2 years, once everything switches back up and the bulls start running, you want to already be holding.